I just spoke with a prospective client that said that their financial advisor told them that they don't need to do a revocable living trust because they have beneficiary designations on their investments. And while I appreciate their financial advisor trying to save them some legal fees, not exactly the best advice. Here's why. When we do beneficiary designations on any sort of a financial account, it works really well as long as all of your beneficiaries survive you and are healthy at the time of your death. But when I asked this lady, how old were you when you had your children? And she said, I was in my early 20s. And I said, well, ma'am, when you're in your late 90s, your children are going to be in their late 70s. And as we all know, folks in late 70s sometimes experience their own healthcare problems like strokes and dementia. And they may be receiving public benefits like Medicaid for their own nursing home. And couple that with the fact that when you're in your 90s, you may have lost your capacity to change your plan and modify beneficiary designations. So what could happen? Well, worst case scenario is mom has dementia, doesn't have the mental capacity to call up and change beneficiary designations. One of her children either predecease her or end up on Medicaid benefits of their own. And then mom dies, the child gets their inheritance, blows up their plan. So beneficiary designations can be healthy in a perfect world, but as we all know, we don't live in a perfect world. A revocable living trust has all of the what if documents and statements in there that if your children predecease you, are involved in a divorce, a lawsuit, become addicted to drugs, or are on public benefits themselves at the time of your death, we can modify their portion of the distribution to accommodate their circumstances, whatever they are at the time. And it doesn't require the client to have the mental capacity to continue to adjust the plan over time. Second big thing is, what are you going to do about your house? Can't really put a beneficiary on that. So the revocable trust is a great option to protect the house from going through the probate process. So listen to your financial advisor when it comes to financial advice, and listen to your lawyer when it comes to legal advice. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you so much. Have a great day.